In previous videos, we saw that lone wolves, they are not good team players, they are definitely bad for morale, and they are also not that good with clients. But people still swear by them. Yeah, but they're bringing sales, revenue. Really? Are they?
Does the defense's case hold water?
No.
Are you sure?
So at the very least, this is debatable. I mean, I know a lot of VP of sales that are thinking that lone wolves are actually decreasing revenue, and the research that I did, most of the research that I saw out there actually point out that lone wolves are actually bad for sale. And one of the things that we should consider is the effect in the short run and in the long run. So in the short run, maybe that you're going to get like a little kick in your sales because of that person's absolute stubbornness. But in the long run, once you have the other factors kicking in, then that person can either hit a plateau or also consider the effect of the lone wolf in his immediate environment. Again, if his disruptions is causing other people's sales to plunge, well, overall, he's costing your company money. Isn't good important? Of course it's important. I'm asking it from all of my team members. But being greedy and being a good team player, that goes hand in hand. In fact, after speaking with many sales leaders, we'll came up to the same conclusion. If you're packing your team with superstars that do not know how to play well together, you're not going to go very far either during the regular season or the playoffs. So you need grit, you need to have team players, and you need also to be better groomed than this, because that doesn't look too good. So you will probably have noticed I'm a bit more acidic on this one. That's because I wanted to get you thinking and also get you debating. I'm not an acidic guy usually, but I do like a good, intellectual, robust debate. And this one is really important. As sales professionals and sales leaders, we have to get this right. So your opinions, good or bad, are highly appreciated. Please leave them in comments. And in the meantime, this is Steve signing off.